How to join a Microsoft Teams meeting with ID and password. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting ID and password. If you've been given these details and aren't sure how to use them, follow along with these simple steps. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your computer. This is the central hub for your meetings, chats, and collaborations. Once you're in Teams, you'll see various sections on the left side, including Activity, Chat, Teams, and Calendar. To join a meeting using an ID and password, you'll need to go to the Calendar section. If you don't see the meeting listed there, you can still join by entering the meeting ID manually. If you have a link to the meeting, click on it. This link typically comes in an email or calendar invite. Clicking the link will prompt you to enter the meeting. If the meeting requires an ID and password, you'll be asked to enter these details before you can join. In the Teams app, look for the Join with an ID option. You might find this option in the Join Meeting screen or under a menu. Enter the meeting ID and password you've been provided. These details are usually included in the meeting invite or description, so check for it. Alternatively, you can join via the web. If you don't have the Teams app installed, click on the meeting link and you'll be directed to a web page where you can enter the meeting ID and password. Choose Join on the web if prompted and follow the same steps to enter the details. After entering the ID and password, click Join to enter the meeting. You'll be taken to the meeting room where you can start participating. Ensure your audio and video settings are configured properly before joining. And that's it. You now know how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting ID and password. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.